In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Spotify Premium for free. So basically, all you want to do is you're going to have to download Bing, all right? So go to the App Store. Make sure you download Bing. All right, it's the search engine. This right here, Microsoft Bing search. Download it, and you're going to open it, and you're going to sign into your Microsoft account, right? And once you do that, press on like this 3-4 dots at the bottom. You can press rewards, and then once you're in rewards, if you're already signed into Microsoft, it's just gonna show this. All right, and if it shows this, just press on redeem your points. Okay, once you're here, it's gonna show like this page. All right, scroll all the way. Actually, wait, I'm tripping. Go to earn. Scroll all the way to the bottom. All right, and you're gonna see this like page, and then go to the Spotify Premium one, which is the second one, and you're gonna press Start Punch Card. All right, once you do this, you're gonna do these tasks, 5 tasks. All right, and this is like official from Microsoft. Do all of these. They're pretty easy. It took me like a day to do it. I'm not even gonna hold you, but like yeah, do all these, and once you do all these, you're gonna press you're gonna just claim it, okay? And once you claim it, it's gonna send you an email, and it's gonna send you a link, okay? And in that link, it's gonna you're just gonna log into your Spotify, and you'll get the Spotify Premium like I did right here. As you can see, I have Spotify Premium because of this. It's only 3 months, so make sure you do this quick. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.